Hi guys, Roger with Grower Solution. Well, I want to give you a milkweed seed update. And I have a sheet that actually Tim has printed off from the Tennessee Department of Transportation, who was doing the Project Milkweed program. And basically, they bought 25,000 packets of seed thinking that that would be really good. And I would agree, 25,000. You would think that would have been enough. 25,000 packs of seeds, a bunch. They had 771,000 milkweed seed requests. That's how far they're behind. And they had to shut the program down because it was really an oh gosh moment. And they're hoping to get this taken care of. I think over there they want to get everybody their seed, but it's going to take a couple years to get that. I think they used, of course, TDOT. They used government money. They got to go get some more government money to get this done. That's just amazing how overwhelmingly popular and how much people want to do milkweed seed and protect the monarch butterfly. You know, even if 10% of those people, that's still 77,000 people are going to plant seed. That's huge. That's beyond huge. Instead, that's why we're called a volunteer state. Anyway, I want to give you an update on it. Thank you so much. We appreciate everything. Y'all have a good day.